Hello friends, today's topic 85% retail investors have not seen bear market. Now is a question mark. How they react is a big question mark. My name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. So far in 2024, retail investors had been investing good amounts of money in stock markets. However, retail investors turned net sellers in September, ending a 5-month buying streak. They have sold shares worth rupees 7,500 crore in the month. Another interesting statistics is the number of demat accounts opened, how markets have moved since 2009. Yearly demat account openings in India. 2009, number of demat accounts opened at the end of the year 1.7 crores and percentage of Nifty returns 75.8. 2011, number of demat accounts opened 2 crores and Nifty percentage returns minus 24.6%. 2014, number of demat accounts at the end of the year 2.3 crores, percentage Nifty returns 31.4. Going further, 2015, 2.5 crore new demat account holders and minus 4.1 was the Nifty that particular year. 2018, number of demat accounts opened at the end of the year is 3.6 crores. Percentage Nifty returns 3.2% up. 2020, new investors 5.5 crores and percentage Nifty returns 14.9%. Going further, 2021, number of demat accounts at the end of the year 9 crores, percentage Nifty returns 24.1. 2024, so far, number of demat accounts opened at the end of the year 17.1 and percentage Nifty returns 15.1%. Observations. Number 1, since 2016, Nifty has given positive returns in every calendar year for 9 years. The last time Nifty gave a negative return was 2015. Number 2, in 2015, there were a total of 2.5 crore demat accounts in India and there are around 17 crore demat accounts right now. So 14.5 crore demat accounts have been opened in the last 9 years. 3. So if 14.5 crore accounts out of 17 crore accounts were opened in the last 9 years, when Nifty has given only positive returns every year, then 14.5 divided by 17 into 100 is equal to 85% of investors have not experienced a negative year in markets. 4. Since 2020 Corona rally, around 13 crore new investors have entered markets and have seen a fantastic bull rally. Since the last 1 week, markets have fallen heavily. It is not yet clear whether retail investors have sold. FIIs have sold heavily whereas DIIs have invested at the same time. However, it will be very interesting to see how retail investors react if and when is a dull or weak years for markets. Even though it is felt that retail investors have become the strength for Indian markets, it will not be easy not to panic if there is 15 to 25% fall in overall index and a much heavier fall in individual stocks. Nobody knows how markets will move in the coming months. However, there is a good chance of flat or weak markets in the coming year. At such a time, if there is further market weakness in the future, don't panic if you are a long-term investor. We don't know how other investors react since it is normal to panic. However, we hope our channel members react sensibly and in a mature way. There will be a fall in your portfolio value sometimes in your investing journey. Don't take it very seriously. If you hold good stocks, they will recover in due course. So make sure your knowledge of stock market is good so that you will be well prepared to face any challenges in the market. Wealth creation is a journey of seeing positive and negative returns in the market. Invest consistently and wait patiently. Power of compounding will create magic in your life. End of the video, here is a question. Is your long-term portfolio currently in profit or loss? You may type either profit or loss. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.